Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Precious Osamudiame, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step on how you can be able to sell your product on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is one aspect of Facebook that people have not know much about. It's a platform where you can be able to post a product for free and sell it to large number of people. And you will agree with me that there are a lot of people on Facebook. Alright, so when you post your item on this place, a lot of people can be able to see it and buy from you. Okay, so the first thing first, what you want to do is you log into your Facebook on your Facebook on your browser, or either your Android phone or your Android app. What's first you want to do is to locate Marketplace, like we have it here, right? When you click on it, the next thing you want to do is to click on it. If it will take us to the Marketplace channel. Okay, so when you find out, if you look closely, you find out that there are a lot of products that people are actually listing and selling here in a different location. In different location, like this one have Ota, Ogun, this one have Lagos. So you can come here. In case you want to buy, you can still buy from here. So, but for the purpose of this video, we are selling. So, next thing you want to do is to click on this create new listing. Once you click on that, it will give us a session choosing listing type, right? Choose listing type. So we have about 4 category here: item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale or rent, and job opening. In any of these things you want to post, but for the purpose of this video, and if you want to sell your product, you click on item for sale. So you click on item for sale, it gives us this session. In this, the one by the right is the preview section. The one by the left is where you add the product. So if you see the first stage here, it said you can add up to 10 pictures. Okay, you can add up to 10 pictures. So I'll be adding my pictures now, though my picture I have now is not up to 10 for the purpose of this video, but I'll suggest and I'll recommend you use up to 10 pictures so your potential customer can be able to see fully what he or she is buying. And the next thing you want to do is to enter the name of the product. I have put this down in a Microsoft Word, so I'll just go back and copy it. It's ladies women top. So I'll come here, I'll paste it. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is the price. I sell for 5,500. So make sure to enter your price to category. In this place you have a lot of categories, depends on what you are selling. For now we are selling clothes, so we'll go look for clothes and accessories, and we'll select women clothing. Okay, so done with that, we'll come back here, we'll come down. This is very important. Make sure to fill all of these details. Okay, so when you click on condition, it's new, it's not second, it's not fully used. So the next thing you want to do is to describe the products. So when describing the product, I've already put some write-up, so I'll just copy, come back to the website, to the Facebook, and paste. Okay, and paste. So in this availability, it's optional, but you can check it if you have a lot of them in stock. If you are selling just one, or you have more than one in stock. I have more than one in stock, so select that one. What are the sizes? So come here, we have small, have medium, all of that. Okay, so copy this, paste it on sizes. Sorry, that didn't copy very well. Copy. Yes, we post. Then we'll select the color: blue, brown, gold, gray. Just select brown. Okay, so we are almost there. Select the material that is made of. It's optional, you can decide to leave it, but if you know, you can select, right? So the product tags is still optional, but if you want, you can still put it, right? So I will say women top. Anything you want, you can put there to relate to what the product you are selling. All right, so now is the time to select the location. Which location are you? Where are you exactly? Currently selecting Lagos. You can select any location you are in the world, and any location you want to set to. You might actually have to be might be in Benin and you want to sell to Lagos and Abuja. But when you are selling, make sure that the location, there's shipping fee, so make sure to include your shipping fee to the cost of the product, so that you won't lose, because it actually costs much to send from place to place. But I'll suggest you sell in the community, in the states where you are, so that delivery won't be difficult for you. So I just come here and write Benin, Nigeria. Okay, select that. All right, so we're done. Let's come again and go through the step by step again. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to add the product of the item. You want to enter the name of the product, the price of the product, the category the product fall into, if it is new or old, then a description, a bit description about the product, and how many you have in stock, if just one or more. The sizes, select the size, the color, and the brand anyway is optional. The material of the cloth is optional, and all of that. So when you are done with that, you click on next. Okay, now click on, as you click on next, you see, you tell us list in more places. From this place, you can be able to share to you can be able to publish on any other group you are, or any group on Facebook, right? So I'll select, as you can see, marketplace already selected, so I'll just select that and click on publish. Okay, just hold on. And sometimes Facebook actually have to review the products first. Okay, like this one, I tried listing these two products, it didn't work. They said the listing go against our rules of selling. So I'm sure I know that you can't sell these two products on Facebook Marketplace. So you see that this item has successfully been listed on Facebook Marketplace. Tara, congratulations, you just created and list your item on Facebook Marketplace, expecting potential customer to purchase. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please do well to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button, and share with your friends too. All right, so like I said earlier, I am Precious Amudame. In this video, I share tips and tricks, strategies that can help you to grow your business both offline and online. All right, thank you so much. See you in the next video.